Shout out. Shout out sa inyo. Live ako quickly. Quickly live for what's over. Ano mag-ila? Say you love me too. Na, 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 na. Mainit. Hindi naman mainit. Kahit mainit. Pero hindi. Mag-aral kaya ako mag-makeup. Guys. Ay! Wala lang sa kong buhay. Gusto ko tumawag. Tapos, gusto ko mag-aral. Shout out. Gusto ko mag-aral tawag dito, makeup. Makeup class. Basta tanggalin ko lang. Ay, may chocolate pa pala. May chocolate. Na ganun. Ano pang paalis kaya ng ano? Bekas. Hello guys. Mag-aral ako ng makeup. Pero naglagay na ako ng powder. Hello. Bili ko ako. Nagrarampa ako guys. Ay, wala ng ano kulay. Wala kulay. Magrarampa tayo guys. Sinong sasama? Init. Mainit. Bakit tumatawa? Bakit may tumatawag sa akin? Manahimik ka lang. Manahimik lang po kayo. Open na yung chat-chat. Chat-chat. Parang wala namang kulay. Yung sa normal. Ano? Mas maganda pa siguro yung normal. Kaysa yung mga filter niya. Guys, magrarampas Ate Jayda. Huwag kayo magrarampa. Magrampa tayo guys. Sino kaya yung iba gusto? Welcome to live chat. Comment kayo guys. Wala akong network na maganda. Mute. How do I let you? Shut up guys. May chocolate pa pala ako. Make me sad. I am beside you. Like tayo guys while opisina. Nag-office. Office muna ako. Office. Mag-office tayo. Shout out po. Hello po sa inyo. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi po. Kumusta po? Kumusta tayong lahat? Sana ay nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. Hello po, Ate Helen. May balita. Mute po ako. Live ako. Ano? Live po ako na. Ay, nakamit. Thank you po. Nawala. Here lang. Thank you po. Wala akong telephone. Isa lang pong telephone ako. Salamat. Weekly live. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Helen. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Weekly live lang po ako. Busy na ako lang po. Hindi na ako nakaka-live. Ang hirap ng buhay. Mahirap ang buhay pag may trabaho, mahirap din pag walang trabaho. Thank you. Thank you po. Yep. Dapat ano pala kami dito. Maalis ako. Hello, Rami. I want to donate your $500. Really? For what? For what the $500? Ramin. One for three. For what the $500? You are rich. Are you rich? For what the $500? Sorry. To support you. Oh, thank you. It is true. I will give it to somebody, mostly in Philippines, to my relatives and friends. I appreciate that. If it is true, it's my pleasure. I have too much money, I think that's why. Wow, you are very kind heart. Yes, I have. I want to support each other. I want to support it to others if you want. If it's true. Oh, very hot here. My electric fan is very noisy. It's very hot. Where are you from, Ramin? Do you want that money? Sure. Why not? It's blessings. But something you need to, what you call that? What I need to do? I, what? Yani, you want to support me for nothing or what? Because if somebody's offer like this, they are demanding. That's why I encountered like this. But not of not people like that. That's why I'm asking you, it's from your heart or what? If it is true, my pleasure. Yeah. It's my pleasure if you support me. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. How about you? Where are you from, Ramin? Where are you from, Ramin? Ramin is from where? Russia. Welcome. Welcome to my life. Thank you for visiting my live. Are you a blogger also, or what? Or you are a supporter only? Or you are a supporter or a blogger? Not really, but okay. You are a businessman. Nice. Nice to meet you. So you are busy to your business. Supposed to be you are a supporter like my small YouTube. You are a supporter like the small YouTuber. Hello, Daniel. Dito pa rin ako sis. Thank you. Thank you, ate. Ate Helen. Salamat. You got $1 million smile, by the way. Dandikit. Thank you po. Daw makaano, bigay ng jacket ate. Isa lang yung mobile ko. Hmm. Yeah, ramen, you're right. Hi, Helen in Germany, nakatambay pa rin. Si Helen. Thank you po. Okay lang. Sandali lang po ako mag-ano lang ako. Update lang kasi matagal na akong hindi nag-update. Busy lagi. Friday bukas kaya medyo nakaano ako. Wala kasi po akong like, I have to go wish you luck all. Thank you, how I pronounce? Sirench. I have to wish you luck. Shout out. Thank you. Thank you for the support to all of you guys. Just I update my YouTube on this short life. Wish you luck to Ate Helen, may magbibigay daw ng $500. Maaambunan kita nito. Likewise. Daniel D. Vlog. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate that. Salamat sa inyo. Where are you from? Daniel? Ay, si Daniel. si Ate Helen pala. Ate Helen, may magbibigay daw brio from Ramen. Si Ramen pala yun. Bakit magbigay? Iwan ko po. Kung gusto ko daw ng $500. Parang nakakatakot, no? Tinatanong ako. Opo. Kaya nga po. Si Ramin. Tingnan mo si Ramin. I want to donate $500 to support you. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, ipamibigay ko din yan. Wow, you are very kind heart. Do you want that money? Sabi niya. Parang kinakabahan ako. He is from Russia. Kahadlok. Kahadlok man. Kaya nga, ang init. Pinubuksan ko electric fan ko, maingay. Pero grabing init. Praise the Lord. Kaya nga, no. Diyos ko, tatanggihan ba yan? Blessing yan. Sabi ko, blessing yan. Walang ka ano-ano, bibigyan ka. Pero kinakabahan ako, baka may kapalit. There is init. Oh, mainit din dito, din. Ano, maano ba yun? Alinsangan. Ah, dito din iwan ko mainit talaga iba. Pag lumabas ka, grabe. Ano yan? Liyagat, one vlogs. Liyagat. Hello, Awan Vlogs na lang. Hi, friends. to like. Thank you. Hello, Tipay. How are you? David Rodrigo. Regalap shout out. Hello sa inyo. Hi guys. Thank you for the support. Hi friends. Lakat. Awan Vlogs. Shout out. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. How about you, David? Hmm. Where are you from, David? Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Okay. I've heard Philippines is a beautiful country with lots of mountain and sea beach and nature place there. Yes, you are right. Me from Spain. Welcome. Perfect TV. Hello. Hello po. Yes, you are right, David. Come and visit to Philippines. Mute na po ka. Thank you po, Ate Helen. Which city do you live in Philippines? I live in Bicol, Luzon. I'm from Luzon. Luzon from Region 5. It's nearly to Manila or where? It's far. It's far from Manila, but if you go there, only 45 minutes in airplane, but 15 hours by land because we are in the island. Island. Yeah, by by car and by ferry, but in airplane only 45 minutes. Near and Mayon volcano, the biggest Mayon in Philippines. Maybe in future I go to Philippines for traveling. Sure. I think I know there is 1 month free visa in Philippines. I have seen videos on YouTube about Boracay and Palawan. It's far from my place. It's nice there. This is tourist spot. One of the tourist spot in the Philippines. Yeah, too much tourists go there in Boracay and Palawan and video like this. Yeah, you can come and visit there. In my place, there is a place with surfing. If you like surfing, you can go in my place. Yeah, because you are an island. Boy, I forgot to ask your name. Nickname. At na ako. Thank you po, Ate Helen. Sige natin, mag-ano na rin ako after. Mga ano. Pag wala nang nanonood, mag-ano na rin ako. Mag-out na ako. May mga tao pa nakakahiya naman na iwanan. See you around. Salamat kaayo. Salamat din po. Salamat kaayo din, Ate Helen. Thank you for visiting my life. Thank you, thank you. Ingat po. What's your nickname? Jen. Call me. My nickname is Jen. That's why Jen. Yan is, yes, this is it. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, Filipino girl. Nice to meet you too. Yeah, you can come, girl. Make a plan. In 1 month, you can visit everywhere with free visa. Yeah, too much tourists there from different countries. It's not expensive. You can go there, it's not expensive. So what do I'm not in Philippines, I'm here in Jordan now. As of now, I'm here in Jordan. I'm working here in Jordan now. Jordan, Middle East. No, Jordan. Amman, Jordan. Near in Israel. Yes, Jordan. Yeah, I'm working here with family. Oh, I mean, I'm working in the family. Yes, I'm 10 years here. 10 years. I'm living here 10 years. From long time. I went in Philippines last December and January. I was there. OMG, I think you already got citizenship. No, 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 I don't like. Yeah, supposed to be like this and 10 years, but I always having vacation. I heard that if you are living here in Jordan in 10 years, you can apply a citizenship. But me, I'm not, I'm having vacation every, yeah, every, uh, before every 2 years. But this few years, I'm having vacation in the Philippines every year. That's why almost 3 years yearly. But my contract here is every 2 years. Maybe you're thinking that I am asking you too much question. It's okay. It's okay, no problem. It's not bad. It's not difficult. don't ask don't asking me difficult because I don't. This is a simple question. It's not bad. Yeah, so do I scrolling YouTube and I see your live screen, so I just. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live. Yeah, this is my first time asking somebody asking me like this, but it's not bad for me. No problem. We are in the social media. You are a YouTuber, David, or a supporter only? You are a YouTuber? No, I'm not a YouTuber. Ah, so you are a supporter. Okay, thank you for your support. Thank you for the time because you're asking me. I'm also asking you first time, so ask question first. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. It's not bad. Your question is not bad. Not like the other. You see the did you see the other one? He asking me about money. Yan eh. He offered me about money. I am thinking what kind of this offer instead of you other person will be asking me because no, it's not bad. Don't worry. It's not 1 million asking. Maybe if you asking me too much, I don't know how to answer that because maybe not only 1 hour to spend the time here in my life because your way of talking is nice so that I'm talking. Thank you. Maybe you are a talkative also. I'm not a talkative. Mostly I'm behave. Mostly I live alone and no, I'm not. Okay. Me also, I'm not a talkative. I'm behave because mostly I'm alone. That's why. Because I'm alone. I mean, I'm not talkative person. It's first time asking me suddenly many questions. Don't worry. It's okay. Coincidence. Yeah. Supposed to be I want to live to make live only 30 minutes, but you are there, that's why I spend I think 1 hour. After you go, I will end my live. This is only an update because long time I didn't update my YouTube because I was every day I am busy. Sing. Maybe sometimes like this time maybe I'm talkative because you are talking to me. But after this I'm alone. That's I'm become alone again. Because you are there, that's why I'm talkative. Mostly I am a listener. You are funny, I feel that. Little bit. Yeah. A little bit. Not too much funny because my face is not funny. You are hearted funny. No, no, no. But sometimes there is a time that I am funny person. Maybe maybe if somebody funny, I can I can join it. I can make funny also. If they are serious, I can make serious also. Talkative like this. Yeah, flexible. I'm flexible. Sometimes fun is necessary. Yes. Yeah, you are. Yeah, I am flexible. Because you are here, that's why I'm talkative. Before you, when you are 30 minutes, you are not here. I'm not. I'm not talking. By the way, you're looking good. Oh, thank you. We are all cute. I didn't say that. Who's saying that? We are all cute. All you, all human beings are cute. Otherwise, you forget. I'm not praise your beauty. I know that. Don't worry. No need to praise. Beauty is in our hearts. No need to praise. No problem about that. Your profile is cute. You're a macho man. No, because God created us. If someone is pretty, if I don't praise, then it's not good. Yeah, I think yes. You have a point. You have a point. Yes, you are right, and I am left. You're funny. Maybe you're funny also. I feel that you are funny also. How old are you, by the way? Let me guess first. Okay. Okay. You can guess first. You can guess first. And I will not tell you the truth. I will send it to the I will send it by message. How about you? It's only yani two two numbers. I mean, don't shy. I think I'm only one viewer. Yes, you are. I'm not shy. Make it higher little bit. Little. But this is I think this is from your eyesight. You guess what do you think now how old I am? You are 30. Oh, me? More than. I'm old now. I'm old. How about you? How old are you, David? How old are you? I guess first because I didn't see you. Wait, wait. I will see your profile. Now your turn. Turn and turn. Where is your profile? This is you, the profile. We'll try. Yeah, of course. You are good boy. Oh my god. It's seven abs. You are a diver or what? You like beaches. You like pizza. I think you are a 30. 30 plus. Because this profile is 3 years ago. I don't know the exactly. 3 years ago. What about you? You're you are from India. You are 35 more. Yes. You are from you know that originally you are from Spain. You know that the what you call that, the what I will say, I forgot. There is a family named Rodrigo. Do you know that Rodrigo Duterte? Not that. This is a family name. This is uh, first name in Philippines, the Rodrigo. This is your family. I don't know. Ronaldo Rodrigo. Yeah. Ronaldo. This is your brother. The famous yeah, the famous football. This is your relatives. No way. You didn't like to. You don't like. This is from Brazil also. Ronaldo is from Brazil. I don't know where he's from, but I know Ronaldo. No way. You don't like. What time now there in Spain? We are the same time. What time now there? Now here is 9:35. We are the same time, son. I am right. What time now in Spain? David, what time now in Spain? I think we are the same time. 9:35. Um, Makiano. you see the messages or not? No. Ay, what happened? What happened? I Yeah, I saw it in my other mobile. Of course, Ronaldo is from our country, but not relatives of me. Ronaldo is from our country, from country Spain. 8:36. So we are one stuck in my life. Your message, the message of the life is stuck. 8:36. What happened? Do you see the message or not? I see there 8:37. Yeah, I saw in my other mobile, but in the live it's not moving. What happened? I know there. Oh, maybe no network. I think. Yes, I see now. I thought you're gone. I want to stop my live because you're gone. But something happened to my live live screen. You can check with your other phone. Yes, I saw. I saw it. Another phone is stuck from Norway. Because my network here in my room is not good. Very poor, very poor. Because I'm in the basement. That's why I am lazy to make live, but at day I don't have time to make live near the Wi-Fi. After we have businesses like automotive service center and car trucks, like this. The three brothers in this business, it's okay. Businesses, Ay, wow. Three brothers handed this business. Wow, nice. You are a businessman. Nice business. This is good business now. I sure think. But fun facts in my dad is honor of all. You are a lucky because you have a dad. You are a lucky. David, you are a lucky. Please help your dad. You are unlucky because you have a dad. Yes. Be thankful. Because you are your dad, you need to support him 100%. I'm not lucky. I'm lucky because I have mom. I'm not lucky because I don't have dad. I have dad, but I didn't meet my dad. She was she, she died when I was small. I didn't see him. Maybe I was 3 years old. God bless. I forgot. But of course, I'm lucky. But if there is lucky, there is unlucky. Of course, what is the opposite of lucky? Unlucky. So sad. It's okay. It's okay. No, no problem. I'm lucky because I was in this world. I am here and I saw the beauty of Earth. That's why you are lucky that you have a dad. So make it support him 100%. I am lucky also because I have a mom. How's life? It's good. Or single or mingle. Or it's okay. Or single going to mingle. Single to mingle. Single to mingle. Thank you for laughing. This is kind of exercise to to our face, make what you call that, face, baby face, 1 year down from our age. Yeah, this is a kind of exercise. Laughing is a kind of exercise. Make like this every day. Don't have my my network is going. That's great. Oh, it's good. Good na. My network is going to Spain. My network is traveling to Spain. To find me. Or what? I think yes. My network is searching you. Why not you? Coming soon after 10 years. I started. I will start walking tomorrow. Going to Spain to search you. Maybe after 10 years, I was in Spain. Maybe after 10 years, I will be in Spain by walking. It's it's good. I think it's good. So and make a vlog. It's good an idea for you. my my content is uh, searching David Rodrigo in Spain. A Filipina woman working in Jordan. She's leaving Jordan, going to search to search Rodrigo, David Rodrigo. Huh. What do you think? It's a good idea. But I wish I wish we have we have a contact if, while I'm in the while I'm in the street going to Spain after maybe I don't know what oh my god. A Filipino girl finds her lover to go in Spain. It's headline of news. Then while I'm walking and I find I will I will shout out, "Where are you, David Rodrigo?" And then yeah, I think this is good. Next live. This is my my content. What you call it? You see the runaway, the internet run away. The internet not agree. The internet not agree our opinion. The internet said it's not good. Jen, Jen stay in Jordan. Don't go. The internet. It's turning around. Turn around. My internet is turned around. The internet said change topic. What time you're coming live again? I don't know. Maybe after 1 week. Long time I didn't make live because my God, I am very busy. Maybe I go live silent, silent live. Yes, not often. I'm going live almost mostly 30 minutes, 1 hour. Now I'm spent my time 1.5 hour because of you, David. Because of you, it's your fault. David, I spent too much in net and internet and YouTube because of you. That's why our destiny met us because you're doing live stream long time ago. Yeah, that's why I didn't meet my my destiny. That's why my destiny is still hiding. Block only you and me. They giving us a time to talk each other. They don't like to interrupt. They are listening. There is two viewers. You and on three, one viewer. You and me and one. That's why we have to end this. Maybe finish my English. Maybe my English ran away to Spain. Maybe next time when I make live, I don't know how to. I don't have. I I don't know how to talk English. Of course, lovebirds talking each other. Why they You're joking. You're joker, uh, David. You're funny. You, you understand my you understand my English. I I studied I studied in Harvard School. I studied the Harvard School. Why not? See, it's coming down my internet. It's coming. 4 million in the house. Hello, shout outs. David now is talkative. I'm not eating dinner. Just only a cup of tea because I ate too much lunch. That's why. How about you? Did you eat dinner? Yes, I eat a little. I make banana cake. Not banana cake. Banana. I put flour and little bit like bread. Like this only. I eat two pieces. It's more like this. Oh, okay, good. It's yeah. It's like a Philippine food because I have friend here. She was she was here, but she's staying here. She like to eat like this. That's why. Yes, also I I I eat milk. Ano, avocado milkshake. Avocado and milk. David, it's okay. I will end my live because it's low but my phone. It's not working. My phone it's not working while I'm touching my other phone. It's almost yes, it's good. It's good for the health. Me also but I don't know. I'm diet also, but sometimes if there is Philippine food, I can't control myself. I eat too much. But if I'm alone, my companion is not here. I eat little a couple of rice and something little bit because I'm making exercise also, but not too much. Yani, home exercise. What is IG? Instagram. Instagram. I'm using. Yeah, I have, but uh, I'm not always on Instagram. Yeah, I'm using, but not always. I'm not always using this. I have. Yeah, but if if you my Instagram connected to my Facebook, that's why if I have if I upload from Facebook, it will upload it also in Instagram. That's why my Instagram active because of the Facebook. It's because it's connected. Supposed to be yesterday. I check my Instagram because somebody like my friend, she like my uh, reels. That's why I check it yesterday. Not always. I'm not always there. It's not working. My if we will free time, then we'll chat. No problem because I'm also busy person. Yeah, I know because you are a businessman. Business is a businessman. Business is a busy, busy man. You are right. Business is a busy man. Hello, 3 million. Mostly I'm my my live chat is stuck. live chat. It's not working. Guys, Madam is suffering the problem of live chat. My God. Turning around. Turn around. Turn around. Oh. And suffering from the charger. Look, the charger. I put the charger, but it's not working. Suffering also. Oh, today is all suffering. The battery is coming red. There is a period. the the battery is have menstruation. It's coming red. Look the battery. It's nothing. David, good night. See you around. I'm suffering today. Suffering from hot. Suffering from charger. Suffering. They want to end up the life. Yes, please. Thank you, David. See you around. See you again to my next live, maybe tomorrow, or I will see. Okay, take care of yourself. Keep smiling. Thank you. Take care too. See you on my next live, maybe after 10 decade. No, I'm joking. Take care also. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming my live. Take care. It's time. Mostly like this. Mostly 8 o'clock there. Me here. 8 o'clock here. So we are advancing. I am advanced 1 hour. That's why. Because sometimes like this my free time at night. Thank you. Thank you. See you around. Good night.